If you're getting ready to sell, there are a few things that can quietly tank your home's value, and most sellers have no idea until it's too late. I'm Alyssa Price, and after 15 years doing home valuations here in Southern Ohio, I've seen the same mistakes over and over. First, deferred maintenance. A roof that's due, an aging furnace, water stains in the basement. Even if it's not a huge repair, buyers see it and immediately start subtracting from their offer, often more than the repair actually costs. Second, outdated finishes. There's a real difference between a home that needs cosmetic updates and one with actual damage. Both can drag your value down if a buyer walks in and just sees dated. Third, comparing your home to the wrong sales. Your neighbor's house might have sold for a certain price, but if it had a finished basement, an updated kitchen, or sits on a bigger lot, that number doesn't automatically apply to you. A real valuation looks at true comparables, not just what's nearby. Fourth, curb appeal. It sounds simple, but the first 10 seconds a buyer sees your home sets their expectations for everything inside. Overgrown landscaping, peeling paint, a cluttered porch. It colors the whole walkthrough before they even step in the door. And fifth, pricing too high right out of the gate. It feels safer to start high and come down, but overpriced listings sit longer, and buyers start to wonder what's wrong with it. The right price from day one usually nets you more in the end. If you're thinking about selling and want an honest read on where your home actually stands, that's exactly what I do. Links below for a free valuation. Reach out anytime.